Hello YouTube, I just thought I'd do, I don't know why I say YouTube, but hello everybody. I just thought I'd do a follow on to the book pages that I did last night with the spray. I've done it on A4 copy of paper now, so I have got paper, like you'd use scrapbook paper to, if you're lining a tag or you make your own chipboard embellishments and you cut the chipboard out with your die and then you cut the top out, this line it and stick it on. I've done some card as well, but you can line card, like I've just said, line card, make tags, make whatever with these, use them as your junk journal book pages, make envelopes with them. And there's back paper as well, won't go to waste. This drop paper will be used as well. It's still wet because I've just finished all the sprays. I've used them all up. This will be used. You can make like the glycine envelopes with that. If you do want to stamp on baking parchment paper, this is basically baking paper. You can get 10 metres from Aldi for 99p, by the way. Which is the best deal I've found. If you are going to stamp on it, emboss it, because it won't dry. It won't dry successfully unless you've got weeks and weeks and weeks to leave it hanging up somewhere, and I mean weeks. So make sure that you emboss whatever you stamp on baking paper if you use that as your drop sheet. But don't ever throw your drop sheet away, because that's lovely coloured, all of that, and it's coloured all up here as well. So I've got quite a lot of paper again to use, and this gives a lovely, lovely texture if you make a tag and you use this on top of the tag as a background. Lovely crinkly, nice sounding, you know, just a really nice tag. So nothing's been wasted, all the spray's been used. Here's my spray bottles. They've got the little glass beads and I've washed them up. I've used this one for quite a few years. The pink won't come off it, so I always use it for pink. But I've got my little glass beads in there ready for another round of sprays. Okay then, if you've watched, thank you so much for watching. Bye.